After almost 2 decades since the last EMD SD60 rolled into service, railroads were faced with a choice to either upgrade or remove the aging road locomotive from their roster in the near future. Norfolk Southern chose to upgrade, beginning their SD60E rehabilitation program in 2010. The work included upgrading electronics and power output, but the most significant change was the total redesign of the cab with a custom-built variation of the North American safety cab, the Admiral cab, replacing the less crash-worthy traditional Spartan cab. This design change has allowed the type to appear once again at the head of Class 1 freights, and the program has ensured that the SD60 will live on with Norfolk Southern in frontline service for at least another 30 years. Now, for the first time in O-Scale, you can bring this unique modern road locomotive to your roster with included Proto Sound 3.0. Featuring a sturdy mix of die-cast metal and durable ABS construction, our SD60E is built to last, with a level of quality construction and accurate prototypical detail that you'll find across our Premier line diesel range. Powering this model is a pair of flywheel-equipped precision motors, delivering smooth, consistent operation geared to run in real scale-speed increments. Just like all our Premier line models, our SD60E comes loaded with realistic details unmatched by our competitors. From scale body dimensions to rotating fan blades and a fully furnished cab with painted figures, this locomotive will satisfy even the most scrutinous O-Scale modeler. Our SD60E comes available in all paint schemes currently seen on the type, with a choice of road numbers for the standard Norfolk Southern scheme, as well as the popular first responder and veterans commemorative schemes, and the Go Rail promotional livery. Bringing an added level of detail to your SD60E is our prototypical constant voltage Rule 17 LED lighting, with realistic directional control and functioning ditch lights. With our revolutionary Proto Sound 3.0 system, your SD60E will come to life with prototypical prime mover effects, including startup and shutdown, a realistic modern horn and bell, and cab chatter including a full stopping sequence. Additionally, the built-in Proto smoke unit will emit realistic locomotive exhaust, ensuring that you won't be able to get any closer to running the real thing without going through engineer training at Norfolk Southern. Run this locomotive or any other MTH train with our new DCS smartphone app. All the power of our DCS digital system in the palm of your hand.